Hello, ladies and gents. Today I'd like to show you how you can install Docker on CentOS 7 and help you to do this step by step. Okay, log into your CentOS machine. And I'm gonna show you that I have CentOS 7.7.1908. Okay, this is the latest and the last CentOS 7 version. Since now we have version 8, but we're gonna stick to 7 because it's the 8th version. It's too fresh and there's not enough support for it or documentation, and the version 7 is gonna stay relevant for some time. Okay, before you should check to see if you have Docker already installed. Okay, so I'll type Docker. Okay, it's not installed. So I'm gonna do this just in case. Okay, so oh, I don't need to do this but in case that you have it already older version, let's go remove Docker clients, Docker client latest, Docker dash comma Docker latest Docker dash latest I don't even know what this is. Low growth page, whatever. The Docker engine. Okay, I don't have any of that. Great. So now you should go and type sudo yum install yum utils device mapper persistent data and LVM2. Okay, if you already have the kernel version 4 or above, like I'm gonna show you In a previous video that I made, I showed you how to install the kernel 5 on CentOS 7. So if you already have the version 5, you're good to go. And I'm gonna show you which version I have, which is this one. Okay. Then you should type, to continue installing Docker, type sudo. Let's clear the screen, make some space, yum config manager -- add repo h. I'm gonna put a backslash here, make it easier. Okay, http column / download docker.com Linux CentOS Docker CE repo. Okay. I like to go to the dev directory because I like to keep things organized, but that's just my way of doing things. Okay, after that you should install Docker Community Edition. Sudo yum install Docker CE CLI container d.io. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's see what Docker version we have. Oh, great. The latest one. So you want to start a system. Sudo system ctl start Docker. Then type sudo docker run hello world. Press enter. Now it's gonna fetch the image hello world from the Docker Hub, which is a repository. And if you see this message, hello from Docker, then congratulations, you have Docker installed, the latest version, Docker version 19.03.5 on your CentOS machine. Okay, then now that we see that we have Docker installed and running, actually the service is running. Let's try to see another option, just for the sake of showing how easy it is to run different images on Docker. Type this docker run -d -p 1010 column 80 Nginx Alpine. Okay, if I type now docker ps, I can see that this image is running in this container, and the port is mapping the internal port of the container 80 to the external port 1010. And also Docker likes to give some names, some creative names to its containers. So now let's test it. Okay. Yes. Now let's test this in the browser. Okay. I'm gonna search for my IP. If config Alright, my IP is this one. Just copy this. Open a browser. Right here. Okay. It's mapped to 1010. So it works. See? If I kill the container, let's list the containers that are running. Yes, I'm gonna kill this container right here, the one that I have just created. Docker kill, and I'll just copy this and paste here. Now if I type docker ps, I can see that nothing is running. I have images and Nginx Alpine, but it's not running. Docker ps a show this argument shows the latest containers that ran. Okay, so docker ps -a shows the containers that ran before, and the latest one was Nginx, which exited about 2 minutes ago. Okay, so now let's try to go back to the browser and refresh it. Since I've killed the, let's go like this. Okay, forget about that. A little bit faster. Wow, it's running. What the hell? It's not supposed to be running. Maybe it's the cache. Oh, okay, there you go. It's not running. Let's run again. Go back, refresh, running. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.